Okay, now what? You can.
What?
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 How much do you love me, Imer?
I love you very much.
How much?
From what type of scale?
Any scale.
Then I'll give you a 10.
How about a 13?
Oh, you didn't say, you said any type of scale.
You
I was
said...
grading you from 1 to 5, and I gave you a 10.
Oh.
Never thought about it that way.
You know, one of my things that my sister said, she's like, I love you as much as 10 million planets into one heart. And I'm like, aw, that's so cute. It's kind of raining. I see it.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, in that case. Oh, I just remember. Have you watched Hall Pass?
No, I haven't seen it. I have.
Hall Pass, the guy's flirting with him. Oh, snap. Seriously, yes, he tells him, do you know how much a polar bear weighs? He's like, no, enough to break the ice. Hi, my name is Sean.
I don't think you're gonna finish this. You want it? You don't even know what it is.
Because I'm already full.
Eat it.
Ah, dice que si quiero así. Alright, in a second.
Ew, what? Ew!
You don't even know what it is. Oh my god, it's sprinkling! Okay.
What? Sprinkling. Thank you, Captain Obvious. Ooh. Finally.